It's not working.
It's not working. Okay. All right. Okay. That was a user we just had on the call. So that user was unable to power his mill on. Okay, so let's just do some basic troubleshooting. Let's check the power supply at the back. So at the back, we should have the power cord. You want to make sure that is plugged in. Okay. If it already is, I would suggest unplug it and plug it back in. Okay. If you're using an extension cord, or is it plugged directly in the power socket? Okay. Check the condition of the cable and maybe switch the sockets. Okay. Give that a try. If not, let's check the fuse. A lot of users aren't aware that the mills tend to actually have their own fuses. So to check the fuse, again, you want to switch the mill off, unplug the power cord and the Ethernet cable. And we're going to remove the panel. So right here, we can just pull the panel out. So what you want to do is, there should be a little pin on the right side. So this is the E5. You want to just lift up. Okay. Once you lift up, you can just pull the controller out. Check on the fuse. What I would suggest is just gently, this side, just gently nudge fuse out like so. And VHF tends to provide 2 fuses. Okay, 1 extra one. The top one, that's your actual fuse. Replace that. And put that back in. Make sure it clicks back in place. Okay, placing it back in it goes. You want to just simply twist in. So we're going to connect the power cable, just hit the switch, and the mill's up and running.